Here with Charlie Smith head coach Eugene Williams. First of all, coach, how are you doing?
I'm good, you know. Very good, man. Healthy and I don't know. I'm here.
Yeah, man, excited to see you in another season of schoolboy football. Is this your first game?
Yes, man, this is the first game, man.
All right, and how do you feel the team performed today? I'm going to talk to you about the tactics, but overall, how were the boys today?
Well, I will say we can't be too hard on them because it's the first game, and the best thing happen when you play a first game is to get that win. Yeah, be positive and we start on a positive note, and that is what counts.
Yeah, I was here from the start, and I get a feeling that Charlie Smith felt like they were, the better team today. How do you feel, just getting a 1-0? Yeah, you guys scored early. I feel like you wanted more than one goal today.
Well, as we say, you'd like to get more goal, but as you say, you score 7, you score 6, 1. It's 3 points, and that is, as I said, that is the most important thing. You need to get off on a positive note, and we get off on a positive foot. So we have to just know, say, this a result, it done it pass and gone. We have to just focus on what lies ahead.
All right, coach, in a group with teams like Hydel, Camperdown, Kingston College, teams that usually do well in the Manning Cup, does Charlie Smith feel like they can, repeat last year, come out of the group, and then go forward? How do you feel about this group?
Well, as I say, how me prepare my guys, is for them to always exceed expectation. So let me tell you, say, on any given day, once these guys just stay focused and disciplined, we can get results that, trust me, it not going to be shocking to no one.
All right, coach. Congrats, and thank you for talking to us.
Yeah, man.